Before moving to advanced UiPath learning, I recommend you take some time to learn other supporting technologies that will help you become a better RPA developer. Regex, short for regular expression. A regex is a string of text that allows you to create patterns that help match, locate, and manage text. After taking UiPath courses, you will be familiar with wildcards. For example, if you want to refer to all the files in the folder that are of type .txt but have different names, you can use an asterisk wildcard to replace the part that is different, in this example the name of the file. This is a simple example, but you can do much more with regular expressions. You don't need to deep dive in it, but knowing at least basics would give you advantage when creating your automation projects. Moreover, you don't need to know all notations by heart, but understanding how regex works is very useful. You can find an interactive tutorial with a lot of practice at regex1.com. It is absolutely free and doesn't take much time to learn the basics. SQL, short for Structured Query Language, is a language used to communicate with a database. SQL statements are used to perform tasks such as update data on database or retrieve it from database. When creating process automation, you will all the time work with different datasets. Data can be stored in Excel, Access, Microsoft SQL Server, and any other storages, depending on project specifications. But knowing basic of SQL will give you a great advantage. SQL is similar to English, so reading and writing it is rather easy. Moreover, you don't need to learn complex SQL statements. Basics will be enough to find a job as an RPA developer. There are many ways to learn SQL. You can start by watching SQL Tutorial Full Database Course for Beginners by FreeCodeCamp. You can also take a course in SoloLearn or Code Academy, which is absolutely free. Some other interactive SQL tutorials are SQL Bold and V3 Schools SQL. Trust me that regex and SQL will be very important during your job, but learning the very basics of both will take you just around 2 weeks with 2 to 3 hours a day. Remember what your goal is and how far you have come. After that, you can move on to your last step before getting hired: advanced UiPath skills.